Chicago, Illinois. February 1st, blizzard. I'm outside. Just made an epic beer run. I got my goggles on and everything. Full gear. I might as well be snowboarding. But I'm out here outside on this storm. It's not that bad. It's all cool. Cars are running really slow. Not a lot of traffic. Just hanging out. Oh, let's go check the field out. It's pretty cool over there. School right here. Waters Elementary School, Chicago, Illinois. It looks like into the we're getting into the hairier stuff right now. Hairy stuff. So, Jesus Christ, I can barely walk in this. All the schools are closed tomorrow. A lot of universities out. I'm pretty sure I'm going to work. A few things that haven't been shut down. Well, many schools have been shut down. First time in 12 years. And why not my EMT class? But yeah, this is what it is outside. I'm getting toasted. A little snow is actually kind of stinging. I'm glad I have a beer. Come over here. See that patch right there we're walking up to? This whole field. It's artificial turf. I'm getting texted by that. Yeah, what's up, sweetheart? Can you hear me? Still making the movie and everything. Ooh, look how stupid this is. I have a walkie-talkie. Yeah, walkie-talkie, talking to Jill. Maybe she can use that golden casket after all. I don't think Zsa Zsa Gabor is the biggest concern right now. She's talking about Zsa Zsa Gabor. Oh, solid ice right there. Oh, here we go. This is better. Check that shit out. This is fucking sweet! Oh wow. Glad I have goggles on. Oh, I'm putting this on YouTube right now. Alright everyone. Well, Illinois, Windy City. Cold and windy here. My epic beer run. Who knows what's going to happen here, but I think my beard is good. So I'm going to go in, just probably about 300 yards, 200 yards from my apartment building, but it's very, very cold. It's more just a wind chill, obviously. Anyways, you all have a good time, and I'll talk to you later.